Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you that how you can able to make an amazing video within few seconds with few clicks. Let me show you something here. This is the video which I have just made, and I took only few seconds to make this video just by putting some photos, and this application made that video for me within few seconds. See this? I just uploaded some photos and this application made this amazing video me within few seconds. Not only this, you can also create so many of amazing video with this application. So without wasting any time, let's get started here. Now for that you have to simply go to the Google Play Store and install this application. The name is Mojito Insta Story Art Maker. Yes, this is an amazing application. Simply click on open and open this one. Now when you open this one, you will be reaching on this page. Here on the bottom you will be getting so many of templates here. See this? So many of templates which you are getting here on the bottom. That was the template which I used here, and I just put the photos in this template, and that application did that video for me within few seconds. And you can also select any one of them. Let's suppose if I select this one here, and you can see this, the same kind of video it will be done by this application if you upload the photos in this. And some other options are also there. See this is also one of the option here. You can click on this use here, and the moment you click on this use, it will take you to the gallery, and in the gallery you have to select the photos. Let's suppose if I select these photos, the normal photos I'm going to select just to show you. And here we go, we are done with the 12 photos. You can see on the bottom we require 12 photos here, and I click on this OK, and it will take few seconds to create an amazing videos with these photos. See this? It is being done now. You can see this, all this photo is being arranged in a very good manner, and it's showing me in the same way as I check in the template. It's going on right now. And on the bottom there is an option here, you can able to download this one, and here there is an option you can click on this default, and you can change the music as well behind this template. There are so many of music, you can listen all this music and change the music as well here. And then you can click on this download, and this will get downloaded on your phone, and you can use it on your status, on your WhatsApp, or in your story. Anywhere you can use it, and it will be ready for you within few seconds. So this application is really amazing. If videos or Insta Reels or anything, you can come onto this application and make it done. Now you can see this one, the video is being saved here. Now you can see this one, the video is being saved in my phone gallery. I can use it now. So you should try this application as well. Name of the application is Mojito Insta Story Art Maker. I will be putting the link in the description. You can check it from there. Any questions, simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.